Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a reverse walk-around shoulder sway. Knowing how to do a shoulder sway already would be helpful. Knowing how to do any kind of walk-around would be helpful. I'll put links to those in the description below so it's nice and easy and quick for you to go back and look at them if you feel you need to. And we'll jump straight in and we'll show you the move. It's going to take a little bit of distance on the forwards direction at the end, so you just need to be prepared for that. So it goes like this, it goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So let's break that down. It starts off right to right with semicircles, send the lady back. Guys are going to take a step to the right as they walk the lady forwards. The hand's going to go over the head as we walk the lady around the back. Guys taking a step to the left as we do that to help the lady get across. We're going to bring the hand down and through between us and then up onto the lady's shoulder for the shoulder sway position. And we're not going to stop the lady, we're going to keep the lady going. So we're going to join in the walk and walk, then out to face, and then it's just return and step away. So we'll do the same thing from the other side and we will talk numbers. So we go back 1, walking the lady forwards 2, around the back 3, wrap to the shoulder 4, and then we walk with the lady 5, sending the lady out during the 6, and face 7, returning 8, and back 1. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, reverse walk around, shoulder sway. It's a back. Walk round the back, wrap and walk, walk, face, return, and back. And that's the whole thing. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the movement channel. Thank you for people who do that. Subscribing promotes the channel even more. So big thank you to everyone who does that. And notifications, if you've got them turned on, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.